students engaged. And that's important because I teach a large lecture class. And so if I can say, okay, everybody type, log in, at least it forces them to follow. It forces them to keep up. But then it makes it so that I get some response, because you typically will have 1 to 5 students who are always raising their hands, and the rest just gently sit back and let those 5 do their thing. So this at least gets them engaged. And then it also helps me to determine how well do they know the material, because if they can't respond and respond quickly, then I know that they haven't read, they're not quite as prepared, and that allows me to adjust my lecture. The variety of slides that you can put in. It can be a short answer, it can be multiple choice, it can be a ranking, so you can mix it up, and again that helps with the students. I like the visual component where, you know, everybody can choose, everybody chose this answer, or, you know, and even the students will laugh when it's an obviously wrong answer, but there's been quite a few people who've picked it and they're like, you know, what are you talking about? So, you know, I like that variety. And then the fact that you can do interactive, so you can put a link in if you want to a website or to a video. I think that that's a nice feature.
Finish our discussion of entrepreneurship by watching an episode, not a full episode, just a segment of Shark Tank.
I've been able to look at who's participating, which helps, because the whole idea is you want them to be paying attention. I try to make class time value added for the students. And the students say they enjoy it because it's just something, it's fun to do. It's requiring them to do an action rather than sit passive. So I think that that's been a real benefit. There are other classes that I wish I would have had this for, because they were quieter groups, and I think that this would have been a way to draw them out a little bit, to have a more robust discussion. It allows you to take the temperature of the class as far as what are they retaining, what are they coming in with. I'll set up a slide that for them to answer it, they should have done the reading, and it's a way for me to see, you know, who's doing the work. And that allows me to plan future lectures too, because then when you understand the makeup of your classroom, it allows you to make adjustments so that you can still meet your learning objectives.